Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your Bitcoin on your Coinbase app. Okay, so once you are on your Coinbase app and you are on your home screen, you're going to want to come down to where it says buy and sell, and you're going to want to click on that option right there. So let's go ahead and do that. You then want to click on, of course, sell crypto for cash. From here, we need to select which crypto we want to sell, which in our case is going to be Bitcoin. So as we can see, we have £31.10 worth of Bitcoin that we want to sell. So I'm going to click on that. And in this case, I just want to sell £10 worth. One thing to mention that you can also do is you can actually go ahead and click on where it says to, and you can actually pick different things that you can sell this into. So you can sell it into USDC. You can actually convert it into other cryptos as well. But in our case, we actually just want to transfer that into our GBP wallet. So let's keep that the same. Once we're happy with how much we want to sell, we go ahead and click review order. From here, it's going to give us an overview of what is about to happen. As you can see, it's telling us exactly how much Bitcoin we're going to sell, where we're selling it to, and also it's going to have the included spread fee as well of 99 pence down below. And I'm just going to click sell now. From here, it will say order submitted, and you will get an email once this order changes status. And as you can see, just as I'm talking, it says trade successful, and it said how much Bitcoin I've actually sold. And if we head back to our portfolio screen and we go down to Bitcoin, we can see that we only have £21 worth of that now. And if we go over to cash and digital cash, we can see that our cash amount has now increased from what we had before. You will also get an email confirmation letting you know exactly what has happened. And as you can see, we've sold £9.01 of our Bitcoin, and that's because it's taken off the Coinbase fee of 99p as well. But essentially, that is how you can sell your Bitcoin for cash on the Coinbase app. Hope this video helped, and I will see you in the next one.